Remember, with anything you start, a new business, a gym routine, promoting your products and services, or just putting yourself out there with video, stop overthinking and get started. When a plane is taking off or the shuttle is going into space, it expends the most energy during the takeoff. So like with us, the hardest part is the launch. Once you get past the start, maintaining the orbit is much easier. So let's set the routine with good habits. One of my favorite authors, James Clear, in his book, Atomic Habits, speaks to that. How a few good habits every day can produce massive results. In his MasterClass, James is teaching us how to build smarter systems and create habits that get you closer to your goals each day. I have a guest pass that lets friends of members experience the MasterClass for free. So if you're watching this, I consider you a friend. So reach out to me and I'll hook you up. Let's do this together. Learning is better with like-minded people.